Hi, teacher.
Oh, hi Tono. Hey, good evening.
Good evening.
Okay, how are you today? Wait me, huh?
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so here our topic. Okay, can you see this, Tono?
Okay.
Yeah, can you see this?
Yes.
Asking for directions. Okay,
Okay.
so today, okay, what can you see about the picture?
Okay. I see. One people. The man is it. Have to uh have
Okay, you can
the
see
girl
in the picture,
asking for the
the girl and the boy, they are looking at the map. Okay?
yeah.
Okay, they're looking at the map. Why do you think they're looking at the map?
I think the girl is. Hey, ask the
Directions.
directions, and the boy um is the direction is right for the girl.
Okay. So you can see that the person is like asking, or the girl is asking, where is the place? And the person is trying to tell where is the place. Okay, so here. How do you ask for direction if you're lost in a city you are visiting? How do you ask for direction if you are lost in a city you are visiting? How do you ask directions for that?
Okay, I think I will ask, excuse me, can you show me the way to get to the post office, the museum, or somewhere? Or I can ask, uh, can you tell me how to get to the post office or museum or somewhere?
Okay, so how do you ask for direction if you're lost in a city you are visiting? Okay, very good. Okay, so now, okay, so act out the dialogue with the teacher. I am a tourist and you are a policeman. Okay, I am a tourist and of course you are the policeman. Okay, so I'm trying to
Okay,
get back to my hotel, but I don't know where I am. Can you help me?
sure. What brings you to in this area anyway?
I will spend my summer vacation here, so I wanted to take a look around the area.
Okay, what is the name of hotel you are trying to get back to?
It's called Vibe Hotel. Do you know how I can get back there?
Yes, I know that hotel well. It's, it's not far away from here.
I'm so happy to hear you say that. If you could just point me in the right directions, that would be great.
No problem. Just head straight for one block. Uh, and then turn left onto Park Street. You will see your hotel next to the pedestrian crossing.
All right, thank you very much for your help. Okay, so what do you think the
Okay.
policeman and the tourist talking about? What do you
I
think the
think
policeman and the tourist talking about?
I think the way to Park a tourist hotel.
Okay, so
Uh
you think
tourists
that
ask tourists ask
tourists
the
ask,
way to get back at a tourist hometown and policemen and to guide the tourists.
Okay, of course. Rest, correct. Okay, now, okay. So here, the tourists, I'm trying to get back to my hotel, but I don't know where I am. Can you help me? Okay, the policeman is quite, the policeman wants to help the tourist because the tourist want to go back to the hotel. Okay. So here. Now look at this. Okay. Oh, wait, huh? Okay. So you have to try. Okay, look at this. You read this properly, and after you read it again, please tell me so you can answer the questions. Okay. Please,
Okay.
you have to read it again, and please tell me so you can answer the questions. Read the dialogue again, huh? If you're done, you tell me I'm done. Okay?
Okay.
You tell teacher, and I'm done. You tell me ha if you're done or no. Okay, you're done?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so if you're done, so again, this is about the tourist who wants to get back to her hotel because she lost. And the policeman is trying to give her the proper descriptions. Okay? Now, please answer this. Where was the tourist trying to go? Where was the tourist trying to go?
Okay, can I write the answer in the chat?
Yeah, okay, sure. You write your answer in the chat. Okay, you write Tono.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, go Tono. Tell me ha if you're done.
Okay, teacher.
Yes. Okay, we only have three questions. You done, Tono? Not
Wait
yet?
me, teacher.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you tell me, if you're done. I will wait.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let me see your answer, Where was the tourist trying to go? Let me check. Okay, the tourist was trying to go back to the hotel. Very good. Wow. Yes. He is trying to go back to the hotel, Tono. Okay, number two. Let us have your number two. Okay. So, what do you ask someone if you don't know where you are? What do you ask someone if you don't know where you are? Again, what do you ask to someone if you don't know where you are? You will say, I ask, excuse me, where is this? Okay. And, or you can say, excuse me, I don't know where I am right now. Can you please tell me where I am? Okay, that's very good. You ask, where are you? Okay, three. What do you ask someone if you want to know how to get to a certain place? What do you ask to someone if you want to know how to get to a certain place? Example, you want to go to the restaurant but you don't know where it is. How do you ask someone? Okay, you say, I asked, excuse me, I am lost in the city. Can you show me the way to get to a certain place? Okay, very good. For example, as what I told you, Tono, if you want to go to the restaurant, you can say, oh, excuse me, I want to go to the restaurant. Okay, right,
Okay.
Tono? Okay, very
Yeah.
good. Yay, great job. Okay, that's great job, Tono. Okay, so this one. Okay, now, Tono, please try to answer this. Okay, put the letters in correct orders to complete the sentence. So we have here letters, okay? As you can see in one, we have letters in red, okay? Can you see the letters in red? Okay, can you see
Yes.
that?
Yes.
Okay, please remember the letters in red, okay? And
Okay.
after, you will gonna have to, okay, tell me. Okay?
Okay.
I wait. Oh, wait. Okay, look at this one. Okay, and please answer. You write your answer in the chat box about these four questions.
Okay.
You tell me if you're done or no.
Okay. Fitness teacher. Teacher and fitness. Teacher, please on your mic.
Okay, on your mic. Micah, it's not me, mic. Okay?
Mm.
Excuse me, do you know if the teacher is around this area? Very good. Number two, can you please read, Tono?
Will you happen to know where the White
Five.
Hotel is? White Hotel is? It supposes it to be near a pedestrian crossing.
Very good. Pedestrian crossing. Okay, three.
Hence, straight of the street about a block and then turn right.
Okay. Would you happen to know where the Vibe Hotel? It's supposed to be near the pedestrian crossing. And head straight up the street about okay, wait ha. About oh wait, I need to about the block and then turn right. How about number four?
The hobby shop I supposes to go to is just around this block.
Hey, the hobby shop I'm supposed to go is just around the block. Okay, very good. Yay, Tono. Great job. Okay, you understand this. Very easy, right? Okay, next one. Wait,
Yes.
ha. So here, in the next, please try to choose. What do you think is the correct questions for the given answers? What do you think is the correct questions for the given answer?
Okay. I will write in the chat box.
Yeah, it's up to you. What do you want?
Okay. Thank you.
I can live, I can fly. That's a rainbow in the sky. I can be a good friend. I can love you till the end. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Okay, you're done?
Grade me, teacher.
Okay, yeah, it's okay. Okay, done?
Grade me,
Yes or
teacher.
no?
I have
Yeah.
something.
Wait me, ha. I will just go to the bathroom.
Okay.
Yeah. One.
Finish, teacher.
Okay, number one. So we have here tourists. Okay, tourists. Number one. Okay, I'm lost. May I ask where I am? Oh, yes, you walk 2 block. Number two. Uh, Here, number two is letter. Tono, you write the letter Tono. Choose the correct questions for the given answers. Okay, wait ha. Okay. So, number one. Okay, is Rocker Park just around this area? I'm lost. May I ask where I am? Okay. So, you can take, and then, do you know how can I get to the Arthur? Or where are you trying? Okay, next is, where can I find the boss? Go around the corner. Okay, very good. Okay, so your answers are all correct. Okay, let's move to this one. Okay, so this one, Tono. To the scenario, Tono, you are lost in a New York City and you can figure out how to get back to the Warwick, New York hotel. You ask a woman in a car how to get there. Okay, so the challenge, you are out of money, Tono, and then you have to get back to your hotel. How do you ask someone the best way to get there? Okay, so you think what you are gonna do. Okay, please think.
Okay.
But Tono, we only have 4 minutes, so I will leave the Zoom and please get in again after 9 minutes, huh? Okay.
Okay.